All right, today we're going to learn how to find the relationship between a position of the number and its value. So take a look at Skills 5A. It says a number pattern begins with the value shown. Okay, so imagine you're walking in line. This would be position 1, first person standing in line, position 2, 3, position 4, and so forth and so on, dot, dot, dot. It says which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of a number. So here's like standing in spot 1 and line 2. Those are your positions. And the pattern and the value of that number. So in position 1, the value is 7. If you're in position 2, the value is 14. Okay, so let's take a look at our answer choices. Position 7. Did they even express up here position 7? Well, if I was in position 7, I'm at position 4, 5, 6, 7. If I was in position 7 and my numbers continued 7, 14, 21, 28, it's obviously multiples of 7. Position 7 times 7, that's going to be way more than just the value of 7. So this one doesn't make sense. All right, here we go. So if I'm in position 1, okay, the value is what? Look up here. The value is 7. Check. So then 1 times 7 is 7. So far, this rule works. If I'm standing in position 2, my value is 14. Check. 2 times 7 is 14. If I'm standing in position 3, my value is 21. And if I'm standing in position 4 up here, my value is 28. So my rule is to take my position times 7, and it would equal the value. Possibility. Again, if I'm standing in position 7, which is way more than position 4, my value is going to be more than 7. So that one's not going to work. If I'm standing in position 1, my value was 7, not 8. So that one didn't work. If I'm standing in position 2, my value is 14. Looking up here at my work. So this one does not work. So plus 7 is not my rule. So your answer is B. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so you can see. Here's my position, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the position, and it matches the value of where it's standing. All right, we're going to do one more before you do your practice. So a number pattern begins with a value shown. Which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of the number in the pattern and the value of that number? So again, if I'm standing in position 1, my value is 3. If I'm standing in position 2, my value is 6. Position 3 and position 4. Let's take a look. If I'm standing in position 3, well, here's my position 3. My value would be what? 9. So times 1 is not our rule. If I'm standing in position 1, my value was 3. Again, it's not 4. So I don't even know what kind of rule they got going here. That's very random rule. So that doesn't even look right to me. Here, if I'm in position 3, my value, position 3 right here, my value is 9, not 3. So I'm not going to add anything to my positions. That one doesn't work. Take a look at D. If I'm standing in position 1, my value was 3. Correct. If I'm standing in position 2, my value was 6. That's correct. If I'm standing in position 3, my value is 9. Correct. And if I'm standing in position 4, my value was 12. So that one's correct. So my rule was take my position times 3, and it will equal the value. So our answer is J. All right, your turn to practice.